Hey everybody, welcome back to the series where I'm finding the exact wattage of the most popular LED headlights and auxiliary lights from Amazon. If you're unfamiliar with what I'm doing here, I would highly recommend watching my introduction video where I go over what I intend on doing in this series of videos. Alright, let's get to it. Today we are testing the Xprite 32-inch ultra slim 150 watt CREE LED light bar. As you can see, it is currently installed on my vehicle and it is kind of a pain to get down, so I'm leaving it up there for this test. This is a 4D lens design, which doesn't really mean anything other than the generation of lens design at the time. So the manufacturer is claiming 150 watts and we are going to test that. So we're all hooked up here. Last thing left to do is to turn it on. We got it on here, super bright. So 9.9 amps and 13.8 volts. So we're just under 138 watts. So again, manufacturer is claiming 150 watts and we're at like 137 or so. So that's pretty close and it is super bright. So that's pretty good. So there you go, there you have it. That's what it is. Thanks for watching.